Hello students, hope you all are fine. I'm Miss Nehali Topiwala, your SS teacher. Today we are going to start with the chapter 14, that is Unity in Diversity. Now student, what do you mean by the word diversity? Diversity means having a range of different things, like different things in many such things such as religion, language, caste, economy, tradition, custom. This is known as a different thing about it. And unity means how we have created a unity, एक साथ रहना. डाइवर्सिटी होने के बावजूद भी हाउ वी आर स्टेइंग in a unity with each other, that is been seen in this chapter. We will study unity in diversity in this chapter, though we are having different tradition, custom, religion and culture, but still we are in unity with each other. So let's see the chapter. Chapter 14, Unity in Diversity. Understanding of diversity. Our country is a country of diversity. It has a unique identity, having diversity in religion, language, caste and economic equality. As I told you, diversity means different range, different varieties of changes. But though it is having identity, it is having a unique identity that we are having we are all in different religion, language, custom, tradition, etc. But apart from this, our food, festival, custom, rituals and attire variation is also seen in social life. Everybody don't wear same type of clothes. We don't have same types of food. We don't have same types of riti rivaj, rituals, customs. We don't celebrate each same types of festival. But let's see that what we can do for unity and equality in our country. So but to stay in unity, to stay equal in our country, what we are doing, so this we are going to see in this chapter. The diversity which is seen in Indians is rarely seen in other countries of the world. India has become a subcontinent due to this diversity. In our country, diversity is seen in the color, complexion, attire, religion, language, food, etc. from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. We have seen many types of diversity in India. But this diversity we cannot see in foreign countries. If you are having any relatives in foreign countries, they must have talked about it. You must have heard from them that we don't celebrate festivals over there like Indian people celebrate. We don't have that type of people in foreign countries like Indian people. They are very totally different from our culture. So these people remember, though India is divided into subcontinent, there is diversity over there, but still in our country diversity अलग अलग डिफरेंस देखने मिलेंगे कलर में, ट्रेडिशन में, कस्टम में, कपड़े में. We can see this changes from Kashmir to Kanyakumari and from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. Now what is religion? People having faith in different religion live in our country. People are having different faith in अलग अलग, सबके same religion नहीं होते हैं. Everybody are following different religion and everybody are having faith and trust in their own religion. People following various religion like Hinduism, Islam, Christianity, Sikhism, Buddhism, Zoroastrianism and Judaism live together harmoniously in spite of religion diversity. We are having many people in for example, if I give you the example of your own classroom, in your own classroom there are many different religion students studying over there. Some may be Hindu, some may be Muslim, Sikh, some may be Christians, some may be Urdu, but still they may be following Jainism, but still we are studying in one class. We are sharing things, we are learning things with each other, we have friends. So this is the best example, students, that though being diversity in religion, we are one. All the religion are given equal importance in our country with good intention that all can practice or follow their regional equally. We all are having importance, religious importance in our country. And so see, in our school also government has declared that, means not in school only, but government has declared many such holidays for regional festivals, like on Diwali everybody are getting holiday, on Eid we are getting holiday, on Parsi New Year we are getting holiday, on Christmas we are getting holiday. So equal importance is given to each and everybody in our country. Now about language. What is language? तो लैंग्वेज हिंदी, गुजराती, इंग्लिश, बंगाली, मराठी, पंजाबी, तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, मलयालम, उड़ियाई and Konkani etc. languages are spoken in our country. These are the languages we are speaking, we have heard in our country. But in spite of existing diversity in language, various languages have importance to maintain unity of our country. Though there is difference in languages, though there is the difference in speech, but we come to know its importance, we come to know its language, and we are maintaining that diversity, we are maintaining that unity in our country. For example, if I give you an example, that if you have went to travel, if you are going for a journey to Kerala, there people don't understand your language, Hindi language or Gujarati language, they are not able to understand it. But yes, if you try to speak, some of them don't even understand English also over there. So if you try to express your feeling, from that expression they can come to know that what you want and what you are in search for, or what you want to say. They just come to know with your expression, they just come to know with your feeling, and they understand that what you want to say. So this is the main importance of our unity in the country, that without knowing each other's language also they can manage with the help of their expression, and this shows the love towards our country. Culture. What is culture now? Cultural diversity is widely seen in our country due to difference in religion and language. Cultural diversity can easily be seen in various regions or states. People living in different parts of country celebrate festivals like Diwali, Holi, Uttarayan, Dashera, Shivratri, Ganesh Chaturthi, Eid, Christmas, Ashadi Duj, Moharram, Buddha Jayanti, Mahavir Jayanti, Onam, Pateti, Baisakhi, etc. Culture means what type of tradition you are following. But we all have different types of culture. हमारे रिवाज रीति अलग होते हैं सबसे. Why? Because there is difference in religion and language. Because we are following different type of religion and we are having different type of language. We have different type of culture. Some people are celebrating Diwali, some are Holi, some celebrate Ashadi Dooj, some celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, and this all we can see that many people, such as if you see Gujarat, in Gujarat Uttarayan is celebrated on vast scale. If you go to Maharashtra, they celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi on a vast scale. So this type of culture we can see because of difference in religion and language. Along with diversity, there are also many variation in people's food, attire, residence, customs and tradition. Means diversity होने के बावजूद भी there are many variations in people's food. There are different types of food they eat. They are having attire. Attire means उनके dressing, रेसिडेंस, उसके रीत रिवाज, कल्चर जो भी है वो सब डिफरेंट होते हैं. इंडिया हैज़ बिकम अ कंट्री विद डाइवर्सिटी बिकॉज ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल फैक्टर्स लाइक क्लाइमेट, टोपोग्राफी, फार्मिंग एंड फॉरेस्ट एक्सेट्रा. पीपल हैव different types of इंडिया हैज़ बिकम अ कंट्री विद डाइवर्सिटी बिकॉज ये इंडिया हमारी डाइवर्सिटी क्यों हुई है कंट्री? बिकॉज ऑफ जियोग्राफिकल फैक्टर. दिस इज ऑल नेचुरल फैक्टर्स दैट आर ऑकरिंग लाइक क्लाइमेट, टोपोग्राफी, फार्मिंग, फॉरेस्ट. ये सारी चीज़ों के वजह से इंडिया हैज़ बीन कंसिडर्ड एज जियोग्राफिकल factors in diversity. Now what is unity in diversity? Indian culture is one of the ancient culture of the world. People of our country differ from one another in many ways such as attire, food, residence, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. Yet there is emotional unity. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of our country. Now India, it is one of the ancient culture of the world. People are from different country, they differ from one another in clothes, food, religion, language, custom, festival, etc. And so there is emotional unity between them. They all are having an emotional attachment among them. And so we are having a unique feature. And so our country is known as unity in diversity. This unique feature only we come to know for unity in diversity. People of different religion, language, and caste love and honor their country. They have a feeling of sacrifice and cooperation for their nation, and it is called national unity. People from different religion and caste. I'll give you one example that the soldiers on the border, they are not from same community, they don't have the same religion, they don't follow, they all are from different religion, different caste, but though they are standing on the border for the welfareness of our country, they sacrifice their lives for the protection of their country, and they give everything. They don't even say that I don't belong to this state, I don't belong to that state, I will not sacrifice my life, but they give their life for our country, and this is known as national unity. They are coming forward for the cooperation of the nation, they are cooperating with the nation, and they are giving their sacrifice because that we people can be safe at our home. So they don't show their difference in this, and due to that only, that they are not having any dishonor about our nation, we are in unity today. Development in the economic, social, industrial field occurs because of national unity. Means because of this national unity only, that people are not having any people are not having any diversity, discrimination in diversity, though they are from different religion, different caste, they all work together, and so we are today economically also stable, socially also stable, we are having industrial field also, and it is because of this national unity only. People maintain peace, security, and prosperity in spite of the diversities. We are having peace. हमारे देश में शांति है, सिक्योरिटी है, अच्छी प्रॉस्पेरिटी हमारे देश की है. In spite of different diversity, we are maintaining this thing. That's why Dr. Radhakrishnan stated that if we want to survive as a nation, we must accept the need of national unity. So what Dr. Radhakrishnan had told that अगर हमें हमारे nation में survive करना है, we have to live, तो we have to follow national unity among all. We have to accept it. During the freedom movement, our countrymen made the vision of unity possible through the feeling of patriotism and sacrifice. Agar suppose one example I will give you about Gandhi ji. Agar Gandhi ji had told that I belong to Gujarat, I am Gujarati, and I will fight only for the independence of Gujarati people. So would our country be independent? क्या हमारा देश आज़ाद होता if गांधी जी ने अगर ऐसी हद पकड़ी होती तो? No, but because of this only, because of his movement for the freedom of our whole country, he has not shown any discrimination of caste over here, but he fought for the whole country. सबके लिए उसने fight किया, and so we are now in a unity for this, staying in a unity, and we are having that patriotism feeling of sacrifice and everything for our nation. And so unity in diversity is a special feature of our country. इसी के वजह से हम आज हमारा देश आगे है. I hope you have understood till here. Different caste, religion, custom, cultures, language, etc. integrated in India. Since India has a diverse culture, it has been able to create a variety in culture. India has followed the principle of Vasudeva Kutumbakam. The whole world is a family. Yes, due to different caste, religion, custom, language, etc. Still India is integrated. एक दूसरे के साथ मिले हुए हैं. And this is only a diverse culture that has been created in our India. And India has also followed that Vasudeva Kutumbakam, means our whole world is our own family. India is in true sense spread the feeling of religious tolerance and equality in the world. India is the only one country who spread the feeling of that we are equal in everything. We have religious tolerance also. We never fight for our religion. India is a secular country. Unity in diversity is a unique feature of Indian cultures. In our country, we see combination of various religion, caste, language, and festival. People of India live a life of coexistence. Indian people have developed and conserved this unique diversity. Indian people, though being a combination of, India is a combination of varieties of religion, varieties of people, varieties of caste, varieties of language, but still India has adapted and is using and has developed the uniqueness in diversity. Now, what are the efforts for diversity and quality? What efforts we have to make? So, various type of diversity are seen in our country. Discrimination is seen due to this diversity. Yes, discrimination means भेदभाव भी दिखते हैं. भेदभाव किस तरह से? तो रिच एंड पुअर, मेल फीमेल, लिटरेट इलिटरेट, अर्बन रूरल एंड कास्ट आर सीन इन अवर कंट्री. ऑल दिस थिंग्स आर सीन. ये सारी चीज़ों में भेदभाव होता है. In ancient times, social structure was occupation-based varna system. Ancient time में, पुराने ज़माने में कैसा होता था? How they used to develop? They developed the system according to the varna, Vedas, and like that. But due to this, many groups remained backward socially and economically. But this doesn't work very much. Why? Because it remained backward. पीछे रह गया, socially भी और economically भी. Hence difference based on caste came into existence. फिर कास्ट के बीच में डिफरेंसेस आने लगी. दैट यू बिलोंग टू दिस कास्ट एंड दैट कास्ट, और ये उनके माइंड में बैकवर्डनेस आने लगी. मोस्ट ऑफ द लिटरेट पीपल अर्न मोर, सो देयर लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड इज़ हाई. पैसे कमाने वाले जो पढ़े लिखे लोग होते उनका स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग हाई होता गया बिकॉज दे वे आर हैविंग गुड जॉब. They maintain reputed status in the society. Difference based on literate and illiterate can also be seen. फिर अगर उनका स्टेटस हाई हो गया सोसाइटी में तो उनके बीच में लिटरेसी और अनलिटरेट पीपल की फाइट होने लगी. दैट तू अभण है, तुझे कुछ पता नहीं चलता, यू आर नॉट एजुकेटेड, यू आर वेरी थर्ड क्लास पर्सन, लाइक दैट. मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया आर लिविंग इन रूरल एरिया. दे डोंट नो हाउ टू लिव. तो अर्बन रूरल मतलब कि विलेज और सिटी के लोगों के बीच में ये कंपैरिजन होने लगा. तो दे यूज टू से दैट अर्बन पीपल आर क्वाइट लेस एज कंपेयर टू रूरल पीपल ड्यू टू मेजर डिफरेंस इन देयर लिविंग स्टैंडर्ड. मीन्स सिटी के लोग ज़्यादा हाई फाई है, गांव के लोग दे डोंट नो हाउ टू बिहेव, हाउ टू लिव, लाइक दैट. Due to major difference in their living standard, differences have arisen among rural and urban, and so this rural-urban discrimination got into existence. Since right to equality is given in our constitution after independence, untouchability is removed. Right to equality is given. This you have studied in standard 4th also and standard 5th also, students, that our constitution has given law बनाया है, कानून बनाया, that each and every person is having right to its equality in each and every manner. Untouchability is removed, means इसको नहीं छूना है, उसको नहीं छूना है, अछूतगिरी जो है वो सब निकाल दी गई है. Now the right to equality is granted to everybody, so all the people get equal opportunity, justice and status. Right to equality इसलिए ये कानून बनाया गया है ताकि हर एक इंसान को वो इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, इक्वल कास्टिज़म हो, स्टेटस सबका अच्छे से हो, जस्टिस सबको अच्छे से मिले, इक्वल मिले. नहीं कि ये गांव से है तो उसको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, ये शहर से है तो उसको सब मिलेगा. नो, जस्टिस इज डन फॉर ईच एंड एवरीबडी एज सेम. RTE has given the right to free and compulsory education to children. They have given right to education. ये right to education सबको मिलना चाहिए. All the students, all the children, so everybody can be literate, everybody can get primary education. Government has enhanced the educational and infrastructure facilities, like government have started this all facilities, started providing to give all these facilities to, like roads, primary health center, डॉक्टर्स आने लगे, हॉस्पिटल्स खोलने लगी, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आने लगे. अभी तो गांव में भी you will go, then you will have all these things. Before it was not there. Now government has changed each and everything. Drinking water is also available in villages nowadays. Equal opportunities are granted to women according to the constitutional provision, so that their honor and respect can be maintained. पहले के ज़माने में वुमेंस को बाहर नहीं निकलना होता था. दे ओनली हैव टू लुक टू देयर हाउस एंड चिल्ड्रन. दे कांट गो टू वर्क, दे कांट गो एनीवेयर. But now this system, this rule has also been changed, and women are given equal right and equal opportunities in the society, and their respect is being maintained. Because of getting constitutional right, people follow their own religion, speak their own language, celebrate their own festival. Discrimination is decreasing after independence. एंड ड्यू टू दिस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल राइट, ये कानून जब से आया है तब से सारे लोगों को इक्वल राइट्स मिली है. उनको हक मिला है दैट दे कैन स्पीक इन देयर रीजनल लैंग्वेज, दे कैन स्पीक देयर, they can follow their own religion, they can celebrate their own festival. फिर भेदभाव नहीं होने लगा, भेदभाव कम होने लगा आफ्टर इंडिपेंडेंस. Some seats are kept reserved for the people of certain caste in the election of Gram Panchayat to Parliament. Means you can see some people, some seats are kept for education also, some seats are kept in government also. For those people, those who are belonging to SC/ST caste or scheduled tribes caste or subcaste, ये सारे लोगों के लिए certain seats are kept reserved, so that they are given scholarship facilities by the government. Students, some things is considered in the matter of job also. Job के लिए भी they have given. Those who belongs to social tribes, जो एकदम आदिवासी विस्तार से आते हैं, उन लोगों के लिए, because they are not having that much facilities in their village, so some seats are kept reserved for them. Hostels, scholarships and schemes of financial assistance for the students are implemented, so that all can get opportunity for the further development in social, economic, cultural and political field. So equal importance is given to each and everybody, so that they can have everything equally. सबको अच्छे से डेवलपमेंट हो, सबका अच्छे से डेवलपमेंट हो, सबको अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले, एंड सबकी इकोनॉमिक, सोशल, कल्चरल लाइफ सेटल हो जाए. डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज़, भेदभाव बॉयज़ और गर्ल्स में भी बहुत होता था पहले. Not only in India but also in the world, women play a major role as a resource in national development. Due to biological differences with a social and cultural viewpoint, there is difference in the upbringing of girls and boys. इंडिया में ऐसा ही नहीं कि इंडिया में, बट फुल वर्ल्ड, इन द होल वर्ल्ड, वुमेन आर प्लेइंग इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल. वुमेन आर नाउ कंसिडर्ड the most important resource in the national development. But before that, boys and girls के upbringing में discrimination होता था, भेदभाव होता था. They used to see girls with a very low level degree, and boys were given more importance at that time. So we find difference in their development also. इसलिए development में भी differences देखने मिलते थे, that girls were not given much importance, so girls were totally backouted from all the things. They were not given education, they were not told to go out of the house, they were told to manage their house only. Today, majority of the women remained engaged in cooking, household chores and upbringing children. They were told that what you have to do, you have to just take care of the house and children only. Women don't have importance to take decisions regarding family matters. उनको ये भी हक नहीं दिया जाता था that they can take the decisions अपने बारे में या घर के बारे में कोई फैसला भी they won't take. Girls are deprived of healthcare, education, and economical rights. Girls were not given healthcare treatment also. They were not given education also. They didn't have any economical right. Girls are not given equal importance in the field of sports, education. Sports maybe if they were good at sports, still they were kept at home only saying that what you have to do, why you have to study. After getting married, you have to look the house only. So what is the use of studying? They are deprived of moving freely and thinking independent. उनकी thinking, उनकी सोच को भी दबा दी जाती थी. They were not having any right to speak in front of anyone. They are not even treated equally. Girls are victims of child marriage, parda system, dowry system, and other evil customs because of low literacy rate. Girls were made married at early age only. उनकी एज के पहले से ही उनकी शादी कर दी जाती थी. पर्दा सिस्टम, दे हैव टू कीप पर्दा ऑन देयर फेस, पर्दा डाल के रखना पड़ता था. डाउरी, दहेज सिस्टम होती थी और बहुत सारी ऐसी कस्टम्स, इविल कस्टम्स है जो गर्ल्स को फॉलो करनी पड़ती थी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस लो लिटरेसी रेट, बिकॉज पीपल वर नॉट एजुकेटेड एट दैट टाइम. बर्थ ऑफ बॉय इज़ गिवन प्रेफरेंस, सो गर्ल्स बिकम विक्टिम ऑफ फीमेल फोर्टिसाइड्स. मतलब कि बॉयज़ के ऐसा माना जाता था कि हमारे इसमें बॉयज़ लड़का ही जन्म लेना चाहिए. लड़की होती थी तो उसको पहले ही बिफोर गिविंग बर्थ ओनली शी वुड हैव डाइड, उसको मार दिया जाता था. लेस नंबर ऑफ फीमेल इन वेरियस फील्ड शोज द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन बिटवीन मेल एंड फीमेल क्लियरली. कोई भी फील्ड में अगर यू सी एट दैट टाइम the female ratio was less and so we can make out this discrimination. ये भेदभाव हमको easily पता चल जाता था between male and female. With the rising level of education, this discrimination is gradually disappearing. Now, because government has made certain rules and regulation, constitutional laws have been framed, and because of the rising level of education, right to education सबको मिलने लगा, उसके वजह से क्या होने लगा, तो this discrimination has been decreased now. Now women has also given the importance power and they are considered the main important person also now as male only. Now women are also famous in all the fields. Mount Everest भी चढ़ चुकी है, चांद पे भी जा चुकी है, बहुत सारी स्पेस में भी जा चुकी है महिलाएं, फील्ड में स्पोर्ट्स में अपना नाम रोशन कर चुकी है. बहुत सारी ऐसी जगह पे है जहाँ पे वुमेन्स हैव शोन देयर नेम एंड दे हैव ग्रोन अप ग्रेजुअली विद द rising level of education. So I hope you have understood this chapter. We have seen various how the unity in diversity is been shown in our nation, our country. What are the religions, language, cultures, then efforts for diversity and equality, and discrimination between boys and girls. So I hope you have understood this chapter very well. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, students.